Hey everybody, my name is Paul Bedgood, here to give my video on the BurcHowdy shaft, my opinion on deflection and all that good stuff. First thing I gotta say, this thing is solid as nails. Actually, that's not the right one. Don't freak out, Clayton. Sorry. First thing I want to do is tell a little bit about me so you understand where this perspective is coming from. About a year and a half ago, got a cue for my birthday. While I have smack balls around my entire life, I decided if I'm going to walk into somewhere with a cue, I better take an active approach and learn how to use it. Quickly realized that I had a base model and upgraded to a quality cue. Very happy with it, plays great, but unfortunately, could look around and 4 or 5 people were playing with the same cue. Started actively looking into cue makers and fell in love with Clayton's mad scientist creations here, as I call them. Wood that has been through struggle, disease, insects, whatever. It's been through struggle and hardship in its life, and he's creating something magical out of them. I am, if you can't tell, complete fanboy. Love everything about it. I got 3 pages of explanation on number 118, John Wayne, which I am the proud owner of. Love it, love it, love it. The entire process building up to, and the finishing process, once it was done hanging, 60 pictures, 20, 30 videos, just the communication. It felt like one of my buddies was building a cue for me. Every problem, every mistake he makes, he calls and tells you. It's crazy how open and honest he is with the entire process. The cue was a little long, and the butt was a little long. Before he cut it down, he called and gave me the option of leaving it long, which I'm 6'3", so left it long makes a huge difference for me. Clayton still can't find, you were right, can't find a case for it. I'll get one made for it, no worries. Love it, love it, love it. The communication in the entire process made me feel like I was there building it with him, and you know he's putting his heart and his soul into it. So, the BurcHowdy shaft. This is prototype number 1. Once again, get sheets on everything about this little piece of wood here. I find it crazy in how open and honest he is. I want to read something where he says, I combine 3 dangerous elements: wavy grain, torrefied wood, and drilled ferruled end on purpose. If that end of the shaft survives rigorous play, I'll be surprised. But part of learning is testing all the dumb stuff we think we know to find out what we don't. He goes on to say, that said, please begin with easy, less aggressive play. Well, I began with easy, less aggressive play, Clayton, but I'm hammering on it now. This is the prototype, so I'll get another one. So if it breaks, not my problem. But man, the thing is solid. The finish, there's these scorch marks. I think that's what you called them, where it looks like it was got a little hot. I love them. It acts as character. The only thing I don't like or the only problem that presents is there's a little spot on the top of the shaft that when you're stroking, if it's the top is, if that little shaded mark is towards the top, it gives you this illusion that the cue is bent. I just roll it around to the lighter side where I don't see it. It's not an issue for me. I hope the burnt don't go away, but if it does, it does. One thing, I wanted to say my experience level before, because I've had to learn how to use this. When the first 2 weeks I had with this, I felt like I was learning again. As the weeks go by, what I'm able to do with this, I think has jump-started me further along with the English and moving the cue ball to where you want it on the table. I don't have a tremendous amount of experience to comment on deflection. I will say that it seems to be forgiving when I'm a little off. It doesn't send cue ball in a crazy direction. And when I am applying some hard English, the response is just crazy. I never got the English that I get out of this one. Complete fanboy, love what you come up with, Clayton. This will not be my last one. Old John Wayne needs a partner. So look forward to seeing what you come up with next, and see ya.